Hi loves, this is Sinyoung from Lémore Beauty. Welcome to our highly requested lifting facial cupping massage for eyes. Before we begin, we recommend doing this on clean, moisturized skin for best results. You want to make sure there's a smooth glide throughout, so facial oil is best for this massage. Making sure your tool is clean here, we're going to work our way up, starting from this area with one swipe per section. Placing your hand as a leverage right here, we're going to suction here and sweep up and out, release. Now we're going to work up here, this area, suction, sweep up and out, release. And right here, we're going to place the tool like this, suction, sweep up and out, release. Now we'll do the other side here, like this. Suction, sweep up and out, release. And right here, this area, we're going to suction like this, sweep up and out, release. And right here, suction, sweep up and out, release. Now we're going to do the actual eye area here a little bit differently. So we're going to do a gentle suction, release, suction, release, suction, release, suction, and we're going to pull like this and sweep up and out, release. We'll do the other side here. Suction, release, suction, release, suction, release, suction. We're going to pull up, sweep up and out, release. And now we're going to do the upper eye here. Suction, we're going to pull up like this. Suction, suction, pull up, suction, pull up, suction, pull up, suction, pull up, like so. Now we'll do the other side here, like this. Suction, pull up, like this. Continue here, like this. My eyes already look more rested, lifted, and awake, and I hope you're also noticing these positive changes yourself. For your tool, you can wash it with warm water and soap for your next facial cupping massage. I'm going to put it aside for now. We're going to make a fist here, and we're going to gently do this, like so. Sweep up and out, wiggle on your temples here. One more, like this. Releasing any tension you're carrying. Release. Roll your shoulders back and down a few times here, coming back to your breath, coming back to your body. Throughout the day, try to bring awareness to your facial posture, to relax your brows, to relax your eyes, with a gentle smile on your face. Well, if you enjoyed this video, found this video helpful, you can help support our channel by joining our YouTube membership. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. High five for doing this with me. Take care and see you soon, my friends. Bye-bye.